Having somewhere to call home has always been a dream for Claudius Brown. According to him, after his parents separated when he was a child, going between family homes and drop-in shelters was all he knew.
I was left on the road because my father sold the house.
And because of not having a stable home, Mr. Brown didn't manage to get a proper education. However, that did not stop him from enrolling in Bible college. He wanted to become a preacher.
It was hard for me to grasp the bookworks because there were so many.
Though awarded a bachelor's in religious studies, something which took him 9 years to acquire, Mr. Brown found it hard to secure a pastoral job as he was still homeless. Ditching those dreams, he sought another line of profession. He trained to become a security guard, then a policeman. Things felt like they were on track until he went overseas, overstayed, and was deported. Back at square one, Mr. Brown decided to try again at preaching. This time he managed to secure an interview, but the distance was a deterrent. His failed efforts took a toll on him.
Felt so bad that I started to hear voices telling me to throw myself in cars that were passing by. And I had to hold on my head and pray and say, God, give me the strength.
Mr. Brown, who sought refuge at a drop-in shelter in Kingston in 2016, has since upgraded his qualifications to a master's in theology. Hoping the third time would be a charm, he tried to secure another pastoral job, but again he failed. Not wanting to give up, Mr. Brown, who saved money from a few side jobs, managed to buy himself a car to start a taxi business.
Not just for to have a taxi business, but to grow into having my own bus company.
This, he hopes, will be enough to buy his own home, start his own church, and fuel his dream of becoming a preacher.
Yes, I still have the dream to become a pastor. In fact, I study the Bible every day to understand the scriptures. Even doing my translations now, using the Greek.
And while not yet close to his dreams, he's encouraging others to keep the drive alive.
Continue through the hard times. Study, master them, go take a test, get your subjects, and then work, save your money. There's always hope as long as we are alive.
With a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.